In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Tiny Tina's Wonderlands audio or sound not working. So we have a few solutions for you. Let's go ahead and go to our first solution. So for our first solution, we suggest you to restart the game. So you just need to close it, and when you start the game, make sure that you run it as administrator also. So that's actually our second solution for that, which is to run as administrator your game. So once you've done that, check if that solves your issue. If not, we can go ahead and go to our third solution, which is to verify file integrity. So go ahead and open up your Steam, go to your library, and head over to your game here. So let's say this is your game, just right click on it and go to properties. Here, just go to local files and just click on verify integrity of game files. So our next solution is to check audio output device. So you just want to make sure that you're using the correct output device for your game. So just click on the speaker icon at the lower right corner of your screen and just ensure that you're using the correct speaker or output device that you have here. Our next solution is to check audio mixer. So how do you check your audio mixer? Just go ahead and right click on your volume icon here and go to open volume mixer. Ensure that your game, because your game will appear here, just ensure that your game is not muted and the volume is set to a significant amount where you could hear the actual game. Once done that, just close it and check if that solves your issue. And finally, our last solution is to update audio device. So how do you update your audio device? So the very first thing I want to do here is just go ahead and go to Windows search and just type in device manager. Wait for it to load. Then here, just go ahead and look for the sound and video game controllers. Just expand this and locate your speaker or your headset device here and just right click and just click on update driver. You will be given two options, which is search automatically for drivers and browse my computer for drivers. We suggest you to use the search automatically for drivers since Windows will find the appropriate update for your PC and install it for you. And just restart your PC and check if that solves your issue. So hopefully we will able to help you fix this issue. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.